Hi there, this is Atinder from Elba, your English learning partner. Today I will share some verbs to describe rain. Have a quick look at them. It's drizzling. When it's very light rain. It's raining. This is used in case of normal rain. Third one, it's pouring. When it's raining very heavily, very heavy rain. It's lashing. This is used when the rain is very heavy or intense. It's raining like cats and dogs. This is the most famous idiom used when it's raining very heavily. Last but not the least, it's raining sideways. This expression is used when it is raining with heavy winds. Make sure you subscribe, like and share my channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon for further notifications. Make use of these simple yet effective English verbs to describe rain next time. Thank you and have a nice day.